Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize 1031 exchange reporting in TaxAct, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize 1031 exchange reporting in TaxAct, start by logging into your TaxAct account. Navigate to the section for managing your tax return. Select the appropriate return you want to work on. Locate the real estate or property section in the navigation menu. Click on Like-Kind Exchange to access the 1031 exchange options. Follow the prompts to enter your property details. Input the information for the relinquished property, including purchase price and sale amount. Next, provide the details for the replacement property. Ensure you enter the dates correctly for both the sale and purchase transactions. After entering the necessary information, look for the option to authorize 1031 exchange reporting. Click on the authorization link or button. Carefully review the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed to authorize the reporting by following the on-screen instructions. Complete any additional required steps provided by TaxAct. Check for confirmation of the successful authorization. Once completed, save your changes to ensure all information is recorded. If needed, repeat the process for any additional properties involved in the exchange. Finally, keep a record of your authorization for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.